Hello! In this video I will tell you about my top 5 advices for drawing sweets and how I use them. All these candies and yummy stuff very nice to draw. I do it in Clip Studio Paint. The first one, new sweet, new layer. So it's time to create some sweets. Even if you have one piece of cake, must be something with another material. I prefer creating a layer for everything that can be corrected later. This is more easily and simple. You can group layers into folders, lock transparency or even mark layers with different colors. In this case, I selected and connected the layers of the hand in one folder and marked it with a color so as not to confuse it with sweets. You can also mark the layer with the sketch in the same way. Advice number 2. Soft edges, it's yummy. Look at this sweet thing, and look at another. What do you prefer to eat? Maybe it will be the second one, all because of rounded shapes. It is a long established rule that the more rounded it is, the cuter and safer it is. And since delicious sweets are the embodiment of sweet appetite, soft edges are just for them. Advice number 3. Be brave for highlights. Sweets by their very nature often sparkle in the sun. These are sharp strokes like glass. So when you draw highlights on sweets, leave them sharp and blur with blend tool only on the edges. Advice number 4. Add warm or tasty look. Sweets look dead? They only need warm colors. Choose a soft brush and change its mode to overlay. Then take this orange color and apply it to sweets. Food will immediately become appetizing. Advice number 5. Change color for contrast. When you finish your plate of candy, you may notice that something can merge because of colors to become invisible, incomprehensible to the viewer. This is when your separate layers will come in handy. Select the layer you want to edit, go to Edit, Tonal Correction, and now you can play with all color properties as you want. Think about adding contrast and separating objects, so you can change the brightness or hue value. Enjoy drawing sweets and believe in yourself. I wish you good luck and successful application of these tips. Subscribe to the channel and like. Goodbye.